Welcome to solverfy.
Write down balanced complete ionic and balanced net ionic equations for 3 reactions. Let's start from the part A, which is the reaction between aqueous magnesium sulfate and strontium chloride, which results in the formation of solid strontium sulfate and magnesium chloride. So this reaction doesn't need any balancing because both magnesium and strontium are divalent, and therefore we don't have to add any coefficients before the chemicals. Now let's split it into ions to derive the complete ionic equation. But strontium sulfate will still stay solid, while the other species will dissociate. Now we can get rid of the inactive ions, and we only end up with interaction between strontium 2+ and sulfate 2-, which forms strontium sulfate. So part A is done. Now let's move on to part B. In part B, we have an interaction between reaction between sodium hydroxide and nitric acid, which forms sodium nitrate and water. Again, this reaction doesn't need any additional balancing, so we just need to split it to the corresponding ions. So at the end of the day, that's a reaction between H+ and OH-, forming water. So now let's move on to the last part, which is the reaction between sodium phosphate and iron chloride, which forms solid iron phosphate and aqueous sodium chloride. So this reaction has to be balanced, and here let's add 3 before iron chloride and 2 before sodium phosphate. To completely balance it, we have to add 6 before sodium chloride. So let's see. Yeah, now that's balanced, and now we can split it into the full ionic equation. So it's 6 sodium plus aqueous plus 2 PO 4,3- aqueous plus plus 3 iron 2+ aqueous plus 6 Cl- aqueous, forming iron 3PO4. Twice solid plus 6 sodium plus 6 chlorine minus. So, and finally, that's a reaction between 3 iron 2+, which is soluble, plus 2 PO43-, which forms iron-free PO4 twice, which is solid. So here is the solution of this problem. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.